Okay, this is Brian from Shield Pest Control again. So what do you do if you see these menacing things? So, for one thing, these are called Cicada Killers. And let's see if I can follow it. Okay. So here's some dust. I'm going to remove that. And I will stick this down in here, and I'm going to dust it. And I'll do the same thing with this one. I'm going to stick this in here and dust it. Yeah, you don't see this very often. It's pretty cool. I think it's because I ruined her nest when I put my powder in there. That's probably why she was having a hard time. This cicada here, and let's see if I can get you. This cicada right here is still alive. What happens is that the cicada is knocked out, and then is fed to the grubs down in the holes. And this one is a female, and how you know is that the females have a stinger right here. Let's see if I can show you better. Right there. You see the stinger. Here's one that I sprayed, and you could see it moving. It's still kind of alive. The barb on that, let's see how long it is. There's a couple more here. They're trying to come after me since I'm ruining their homes, but they're really not that aggressive. But they are cool to look at.